We're gonna try this today. Looks a bit like a Play-Doh club. We're gonna try this today.
This is it. Say it again.
We're gonna try this today.
Ngayon ay itatry natin ang Goldilocks Pulburon.
Ube provolone.
Ube
Can I
Pulburon.
try? Can I open it?
We need this, hon. They have this.
Okay.
So, naka-sealed siya at kailangan nating buksan sa pamamagitan nito. Napakainit sa labas. Kaya dito tayo mag-vlog sa loob. Durog na to bago mabuksan ni Lincoln. Oh, wow! This is second, honey. We'll show them the packaging. So, first time ko lang sa buong buhay ko, hindi pa talaga ako nakakakain ng Goldilocks Pulburon. Hindi ko alam kung gumawa ba sila ng pulburon nung nandito na ako sa Canada. So, ito yung loob. Show them. The honey, just one moment, please. Naka-individual packaging siya. Okay, Lincoln. Straight back, Lincoln. So, let's now. Nung bata
I'm
ako.
gonna smell it
Nung bata
one
ako.
more time.
Okay. Paborito ko yung, madali siyang buksan. O, kahit siling ko na buksan niya.
It looks a lot like Play-Doh. Oh yeah, it does look like Play-Doh. Here, it looks a bit like a Play-Doh club.
Smells like?
The ube cake.
Yeah, it does.
The,
Kumakain sila ng yung ube na
okay, mommy, let's try it.
cupcake.
3, 2.
Just a nibble.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Look at the camera. Straight back.
Tastes like a pure ube cake with some sugar inside.
Ang naalala kong pulburon kasi napakahabang taon na ako din nakakain ng pulburon. 20 years. Ang naalala ko pero nung bata ako, lagi akong kumakain ng pulburon. Palagi. Tapos nung nakapunta ako dito, hindi na ako kumakain ng pulburon kasi parang hindi ko siya naiisip. Ganon. Ang naalala ko nung bata ako, kasi gusto ko ng pulburon nung bata ako. Yung pulburon ay powdery. Ganon, patas. Parang laging gatas ang flavor. Ngayon,
At first, I thought this is gonna be a cake. Looks like Play-Doh now. This looks like a cake. This looks like Play-Doh.
andito na si Lance at magsisiksikan na lang kami dito. At eto, si Lincoln pala, pumunta siya sa bathroom. Tinignan niya kung yung mouth.
like stuff.
Oh, sit down. Tinignan niya kung yung mouth niya tsaka yung ipin niya ay nag-purple. Show it to them, honey. So, ngayon naman si Lance ay smell it first and then try it.
Smells like that ube cake.
Pareha sila ng sinabi. Kasi, nung sinabi ni Lincoln na smells like ube cake, wala siya rito. Go try it, hon.
Ow.
Sorry, honey.
We take a few more nibbles. We can move to. Oh,
Very purple.
hold on. I'm going to take a nibble and see if it melts. Okay,
Kasi kakain lang namin ng pananghalian. Eh, gusto na tong i-try ng mga bata. Busog pa sila.
Drink of water now.
Okay.
I like it, but
Say your thing here. You have to
I
say
like it, but it's kind of flaky.
It's kind of flaky or powdery.
The package lied. It looks like a cake. It's just looks like Play-Doh now. Yeah, I agree. I thought this would be look from the package. It looks a lot like hard candy. Not something that would.
But will you? Let's say you're not full right now. Will you like it?
I like it.
You like it? Oh, that's good. So we can buy it again.
It's a little expensive.
So yes, it's
So
$8
beautiful.
in here. What if we're in Philippines?
I definitely eat it because it's gonna be way cheaper.
Oh. So give it a thumbs up, Lincoln, if you like it. So nagustuhan siya ni Lance tsaka ni Lincoln.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Naintindihan ko naman yung sinabi ni
Right,
Lance
Lincoln
kasi
also.
dito, nasa Canada nga kami, syempre yung shipment sa barko, di ba? Tapos yung pag once na shinip ang isang bagay, nagiging mahal na talaga. So, $8 something siya dito. So, sa perspective ni Lance, pricey siya para sa $8, sabi niya. Pero kung nasa Pinas siya, gusto niya. So, bibili pa rin kami nito as a treat kasi treat talaga siya. Akala nila cake. Siyempre, bago lang sa kanila ang pulburon. First time lang nila, di ba? Kaya, akalain mo talaga na cake. Hindi nila akalain na flaky. Magandang experience din to kasi napakahabang taong ko nang hindi nakatikim ng pulburon. At sa wakas, nakatikim din ako ng pulburon at na-miss ko siya. Hindi ko siya maubos, gawa ng kakakain nga lang namin ng tanghalian. So, yan ang... What's your review? Will you like...
The package lied a bit. Looks like a
No,
cake.
honey, it's not because of that. It's because you have no idea that it's a powdered thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. How about the taste? Will you recommend it to other kids?
Yes.
Oh, it's a thumbs up for Lincoln.
It's a unique flavor.
Mm-hmm. Tell it to them.
What should I? Well, I should say this looks like a cake. What I just ate looks very different. It's like powder.
Oh, hindi siya
powder.
Oh, I see. So, hindi makaget over si Lincoln sa itsura ng packaging at sa kinain niya. Pero, i-recommenda niya sa ibang mga bata. So, let's give it a thumbs up, Lincoln, if you really like it. At maraming salamat po. Yan lang ang ating vlog for today. Ang Canadian kids tried Goldilocks Polvoron! At kung nagustuhan niyo po ang vlog na to, Lincoln, please don't forget. Please don't forget.
Bye.
Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll
Oh.
see you on our next vlog. Have a lovely day, everyone. At mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat.